Find f of g of 4 and g of f of 4 for the given functions. F of x equals square root of x, g of x equals 9 minus x squared. So f of g of x, we'll find that one first. It means you take the f of x and put it in here. So this would be equal to 9 minus the square root of x squared. And really that could be simplified to 9 minus x, but we want to keep in mind about the domain restriction. Because we have a square root of x here, you can't have a negative number for x. And if you just write 9 minus x, you're going to forget that. So this is a simplified version, but keep in mind this one here. So we find f of g of 4 we're going to input the 4 here, and it'll simply be 9 minus 4, which is 5. And if you would put a positive 4 in here, it would work out the same way. So we're good to go here. Now we're going to find g of f of 4. So g of f of x first. And in this case, the g of x is going to go in the square root sign for the f. So that's going to be equal to the square root of 9 minus x squared. So we're going to input 4, g of f of 4, square root of 9 minus 4 squared, which is the square root of 9 minus 16, square root of negative 7. That's not defined in the real number set, so we're going to say not defined for that guy. So f of g of 4 we said was equal to 5. G of f 4 undefined. Okay, so that's how you find composite functions and then use those functions to get an input-output.